Now let's do some real fucking wheelies. Oh god, my nutsack hurts. I'll just leave that there. I'll come back and get it never. Do not want to lose my phone. I'm considering putting it in the mount, but then I really don't feel like it. I have less than like 10% battery, so I actually need to be careful on what I do and where I go. I love my fucking vid bike. I could never give this thing up. Unless someone gave me $900 cash, like I said before. Then I would never give this baby up. Even, no, $950. I would do $950 cash. Oh, that was hot. My leg just touched the side of the motor. Oh, so now you decide to go. You're fucking smart, bud. I want to see who the fuck's driving. It's gotta be like a fucking young kid. But you know, I'm young as shit out here wheeling, being a wheelie boy. Oh god. Holy fucking shit. Please tell me I was recording. Please tell me I was recording. Oh god. But you know, anyway, when you're out here mobbing pit bikes, I just couldn't keep it up, guys. I ran out of throttle because I can't hold steady balance point. But I'm getting better. One more mob sesh and just fuck. I mean, for a second, I thought Lars was better. But, you know, I don't know. Fucking Cody, Dirt Bike Cody, is fucking bomb. Has his CRF 80 or some shit, 80, 70. And he can, like, do every sort of fucking stunt on that bitch. Alright, let's mob this shit in a second. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, that was hurting my ass. That was crazy. Fuck, what was that? That was like a manhole cover or some shit. I like jumped it mid-wheelie and it scared me, so I brought it down. Holy fuck. Anyway guys, this is Dirt Bike Andy, and I'll see your beautiful faces in the next video. Peace out.